everyone. In this issue you will see Italian Fiat assembled in Poland in 1990. The minicar Fiat 126 replaced the 500th model in 1972. Technically, the car was close to its predecessor, an air-cooled motor at the rear-wheel drive, a compact two-door body 3 meters long. Fiat 126 was equipped with a 23-horsepower twin-cylinder engine and a 4-speed gearbox. In 1977, there was a version with a 652cc motor, developing 24 horsepower. In Italy the production had stopped in 1980, but in 1973 the licensed production of the model was organized in Poland under the name Polski Fiat 126. There the car was made until 2000. It was repeatedly upgraded, and in 1987, it was produced with a water-cooling 26-horsepower engine. Polish Fiats were exported to other Eastern European countries and even to Australia. In total, more than 4.6 million Fiats 126 were made, 1.3 million in Italy and 3.3 million in Poland. Also, the car was produced in Yugoslavia under the name Zastava 126. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. See you soon, folks.